Well, indeed, that's expected to be a mixed bag for the auto sector in the month of July, and the key outliers could really be the two-wheeler segment as well as the tractor segment, because there the demand is expected to be robust, well on the back of the rural sentiment doing very well, and along with that the good monsoon playing their part. Now let's talk about numbers then, and firstly from the tractor division if we look at, because this segment has been doing very well, and on a YY basis it's Mahindra & Mahindra once again an 11% jump is what we are expecting on the numbers, and along with that if we talk about Escorts, then a 3% uptick is what we are getting to see. Yes, a lot of these seasonalities also come in because of the festive as well, so we will take the YY number in consideration. Now within the two-wheeler pack, that's the second segment to be watchful of. Therein we are expecting a double-digit growth for all the companies barring Bajaj Auto this time around, because on a month-on-month basis Bajaj Auto sales expected to be just flat. But if we look at the numbers for Eicher Motors Royal Enfield, TVS, Hero MotoCorp, a double-digit growth number is what we are expecting, and the exports shall increase the double-digit due to the growth in the LATAM and African regions as well. Other than that, in the terms of the commercial vehicle segment, therein the growth could actually be aided. If you look at the numbers, they're not looking that bad on the back of the base effect picking up, and there's a pickup in the execution of the infra projects as well. So after a while, a bit of a positive commentary is what we are getting to understand. And look at the numbers on a YY basis. It's Eicher Motors VECV that's expected to perform the best. An 8% jump is what we are expecting on Eicher Motors VECV. Other than that, Tata Motors CV, Ashok Leyland, a 3 to 4% an uptick is what we are expecting. And lastly, from the passenger vehicle segment, yes, the segment has been under pressure, but this time Mahindra & Mahindra is once again expected to be a key outlier. 16% uptick, units at close to 77,000 of units is what we are expecting, while not much of an expectation from Tata Motors. So expect it to be a mixed bag when it comes to July sale.